Hello and welcome to Ultramax. Today I'm going to guide you through buying a bench type spray booth and how to look after it. A bench type spray booth is a must-have investment for any spray shop or industrial workshop that manufactures or finishes small parts, equipment, furnishings or products. Bench type spray booths aren't hugely expensive, but they are an investment. This is where Ultramax can help you with making sure you get the booth that best suits its purpose, your budget and the space you have available. A bench type spray booth is configured differently from standard paint booths. They feature a built-in bench at counter height, allowing your painters to paint or finish small pieces quickly and easily. The booth is typically made of galvanised steel and uses a dry filter system. A bench type booth has an open front that draws in fresh air, the air that flows horizontally over the product and onto the integrated extract system. This system efficiently removes paint overspray while maintaining a uniform airflow throughout the work area. Bench booths provide a safe, compliant, clean and convenient environment for finishing small items. The counter height bench makes for an efficient and comfortable spray experience. Without a bench booth, sprayers would need some form of rail system to hold items on hooks. Objects commonly sprayed using a bench booth include cabinet doors, small pieces of industrial equipment, small vehicle parts, machine parts, small pieces of furniture, woodworking projects, small scale DIY projects, models and figurines. There are many reasons to invest in a bench booth for your paint shop, such as unrivaled control of hazardous material when spraying small items, removes airborne contaminants that can compromise your finish, exhaust system complies with health and safety regulations, high quality lighting lowers the risk of finishing errors, improves air quality and reduces paint fumes for a safer work environment, improves workflow efficiency, reduces curing time, high quality finish even on complex pieces. There are no major disadvantages to using a bench spray booth, provided you can commit to the required maintenance schedule and have the budget for regular filter replacement. Failure to maintain your booth result in a poor performing unit, costly repairs and a below optimal lifespan. With a wide selection of specifications and customizations available, it's important to think carefully about what you need from a bench type spray booth, such as cost, floor space, finish specification and purchase options are often at the top of a paint shop manager's mind. Cost prices vary widely, starting from under £2,000 for self-installation for a basic bench booth, and you can expect to pay £2,000 plus for bench booths installed. It generally depends on if there are any extra additions to the booth. Space and location. One of the first questions you'll need to ask yourself is, how much floor space do you have available? If you work in a production line, where should your booth be located in relation to the other operations in your work area? Make sure that wherever you decide to position your booth will satisfy health and safety requirements. Finish specifications. Think about the type and range of products you will finish in the paint booth. In particular, ensure you know the dimensions of the largest items you will spray. If you have custom needs, check that your chosen supplier can accommodate this within your budget. So purchase options. Different suppliers offer various solutions, but you can usually expect to buy a booth as a standard booth supply in a range of budget options, customised booth supply, standard or customised package that includes fit out. Your cleaning schedule will depend on how often you use the booth and the type of coating that you're spraying. As a minimum, we recommend giving your booth a thorough clean once a month. A weekly deep clean will keep the booth in a good working order if you use the booth heavily. You should always follow the cleaning guidance in the manufacturer's manual, but a deep clean protocol should look something like this. Number 1, shut off the power supply and ensure the booth is sealed. Number 2, close all the vents and switch off fans before you start cleaning and remove the extract filters if they need replacing. Number 3, wear appropriate PPE such as an overall, gloves, a mask, etc. And number 4, clean the booth, getting to all the hard to reach areas with a scrubbing brush and a solution of water and paint remover. Number 5, rinse well with water. So nobody enjoys scrubbing paint booth walls and lights, even if it's a small bench booth. But you can make the cleaning process significantly faster and less messy by coating your walls with a peelable liquid, spray-on treatment that dries to a protective film or a self-adhesive film sheet. Once it needs redoing, you simply peel it off according to the manufacturer's instructions and recoat. The whole point of a bench booth is to provide clean, uncontaminated air, so you need to look after your filters. But how often should you change them? If you use your bench booth daily, we recommend changing the filters at least once a month to ensure your extract system performs its best. So in summary, buying a bench type spray booth is a great investment for you if you spray small items on a regular basis. It will provide your painters with a better, safer working environment and give your production line flexibility, improve the finish quality of your small parts and speed up your workflow. For more information and inquiries on spray booth, call our spray booth division 01302 85 6666 or email inquiries@ultramaxcoatings.co.uk.